What if the next war did not begin with a warning? No sirens, no visible aircraft, no time to think, just impact. Cities could be hit before anyone understands what is happening. Defenses could be overwhelmed before they even lock on. And the most disturbing part is this: the weapons making that possible are not science fiction. They are real. And as they get faster, smarter, and harder to stop, the old rules of warfare begin to collapse. Starting at number 4, it only gets worse. Number 4, electromagnetic railgun, the silent strike. No flame, no explosion, no dramatic launch, just a blast of force throwing metal forward at insane speed. That is the railgun. Instead of gunpowder, it uses electromagnetic power to fire a solid slug at hypersonic velocity. The projectile itself is not carrying the destruction. The speed is. Because once a piece of metal is moving that fast, it doesn't need an explosive warhead. Its own energy becomes the weapon. It does not arrive like a missile. It arrives like a disaster. Too fast to ignore, too fast to stop. Number 3, WZ-8, the eye you cannot catch. Now imagine something watching from above. Not a satellite, not a jet, something faster. Something so high and so quick that even trying to follow it feels pointless. That's the WZ-8, a hypersonic reconnaissance drone built to fly at extreme altitude and speed, gathering intelligence where most defenses cannot reach. And it's not just a surveillance tool, it's a battlefield advantage before the battle even begins. By the time you know it's there, it may already have seen everything. And once the enemy sees everything, the strike becomes much easier. Number 2, DF-17, the missile that refuses to follow the rules. This is where the threat becomes much harder to predict. The DF-17 is not just fast, it's unpredictable. It launches a hypersonic glide vehicle that separates after takeoff and then moves through the atmosphere at extreme speed, reportedly beyond Mach 10. But speed is not the most dangerous part. Maneuverability is. Because this weapon can shift course mid-flight, it doesn't behave like a traditional missile. It doesn't follow a clean arc that defenders can easily calculate. And that changes everything. Missile defense systems are built on prediction. They look at where a weapon will be and try to intercept it there. But what happens when the target keeps changing its mind? That's the problem. A weapon that fast, with that much flexibility, turns interception into guesswork. By the time a defense system reacts, the target may already have moved. It's like trying to catch lightning that can turn corners. And if you can't predict it, you can't reliably stop it. Number 1, DF-41, the weapon that overwhelms defense. Now we reach the point where everything changes. One missile, many targets, different cities, different consequences. It does not stop. It keeps going. This is the new reality. Weapons that move too fast to track, systems that adapt, strikes that arrive before the world can react. The real question is no longer who has more weapons, but who has the ones you cannot stop. So ask yourself this: if a war can be decided in minutes, what happens to everyone still waiting for the warning?